When it comes to heating, not all systems are created equal. Instead of a full-scale furnace for heating, some homes have baseboard heating systems.
While these systems are sleek and compact and don't require a lot of routine maintenance, they aren't the most efficient.
If you're not in a position to upgrade your baseboard heat to a more efficient system, like an air source heat pump or a mini split, we have some tips to help you make your baseboard heating as cost-effective and safe as it can be.
The units operate more safely and effectively when they are kept clear of furniture, curtains, and electrical cords. This allows the heat to move freely through the room without the danger of overheating fabrics, cords, or wood features.
Maximize the heat output of the units by keeping them clean. Remove dust and dirt periodically to avoid excess energy consumption while the unit is working. The fins of the heater should be kept free of dust and debris with frequent routine cleaning.
Set your thermostat to about 68 degrees Fahrenheit when you're home and about 60 when you're away or sleeping. This way the heater meets your needs but doesn't run when you don't need it. Lowering the set temperature by 1 degree can save about 2% on heating costs.
Consider installing baseboard heat covers over your unit for safety and efficiency. The covers prevent heat loss and assist in providing a better temperature distribution around the room.
Making the most of the options we have available means we can keep our homes comfortable and save energy dollars at the same time.
Visit PowerHouseTV.com for more energy-efficient tips and heating options for your PowerHouse. A 1,000 to 2,000 square foot home typically has 150 linear feet of ductwork. A 2,000 to 3,500 square foot home may have 250 linear feet.